In this video, I will teach you how to become the affiliate for Screen Studio. That's a powerful software to record your macOS screen. There are so many functions that I never saw in any other screen recorder. You can become an affiliate for this software and earn commission. There is a website called 𝒂𝒅𝒊𝒂𝒍 or simply go to screen.studio and here go to products and here is the affiliate link. Scroll down and go to this link affiliates.𝒂𝒅𝒊𝒂𝒍.com. Here you create an account and you can also log in with existing Google account. Once you create an account, you will get an email to your mailbox. That email could be same like this one. Here you can click on sign in to become an affiliate. It will land you to this page. So instead of logging in directly from this page, because there is a store option as well, you can open a store, but you don't need to open a store, you just need an affiliate link. So you can simply go to affiliates.𝒂𝒅𝒊𝒂𝒍.com directly in the new tab, and here you can click and sign in with your account. Once you sign in your account, you will see this layout. Just need to go to settings. Here you need to fill all the information. The website will check that if you are a legit person or not. So be careful. Provide all the details how you will promote their product on different social media platforms or your website or a YouTube channel. So fill this information and then submit here. My application is already approved, so I don't need to submit another application. Once you submit your application, you have to wait for 48 hours and then you will receive another email. Go to your mailbox and you will receive similar email with a congratulations message. You will also receive another email, same like this one, that your affiliate account has been approved. After that, go back to the website and log in. Once you log in, you need to go to programs. Here, go to search option and search Screen Studio. Click on that. Your application has already been approved, so this is the information of the commission you are going to earn on each sale. If one person is purchasing from your link, then you will get this kind of commission. So go and submit affiliate request. Here you can type anything, not anything bad, but something, a good message. You can type a similar message and submit affiliate. To become an affiliate, you have to wait for 48 hours, not for this one, but for the previous approval. Alright, once you submit your application, you will find this link. This is your affiliate link, and here you need to modify this link a little bit. Paste it in the Notes app, and here you need to remove this information. That could be your affiliate link. You just need to remove the previous part, then add @ and this could be your affiliate link. Feel free to paste it anywhere on social media. Let's check if the link is working or not. Alright, if somebody comes with this link, then you will earn the commission. And this link is in the description. If you want to try this screen recorder, then feel free to buy from my link. It may give me a cup of coffee. I hope you like this video and hope you are going to earn some money from 𝒂𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒍. See you. Bye.